For those looking to start an online business, many people are attracted to affiliate marketing, and you can make 7 figures a year from it part-time. The flip side is that most people fail at it and give up for various reasons. But what is affiliate marketing? And that's what I'm going to discuss today. Hey everyone, hi, this is Ed from Prosper Path. What affiliate marketing is. Maybe they were told it's an easy way to get rich, or you can just sit in your pajamas all day for an hour and be able to quit your day job, or maybe it's so easy it doesn't take any effort. None of those are true. Affiliate marketing is a great way to start an online business, and many are successful there. Others go on to sell products of their own, but it does take effort. There is a big learning curve, and additionally you have to have a good foundational system in place. All of these take time, effort, and persistence. It's not a rich, quick scheme, and as everything, there will be challenges. But if you are an action taker, then this may be something you should explore. So basically, affiliate marketers help companies acquire new customers. What we do is make money selling other people's products or services. The beauty of this is we don't have to create our own products because it can be a very complicated process to create your own products. When we promote a company product or services, we get access to an affiliate marketing account. They give you the affiliate link, which is a special URL link that's linked to your name so they can track every time we send them a visitor, and that's how we get paid. It's pretty much automated, so we never even have to talk to the person selling the product. The sellers provide us with the marketing tools that might include emails, copy, sales copy, and other great stuff. Basically, what we do is just simply get visitors to our affiliate link or website. So let me tell you about the 4 parts of affiliate marketing. The first part is one, you have to have a product to promote. There are endless affiliate marketing opportunities out there. All you got to do is just find something that interests you and just think what you're knowledgeable about and what are your passions. There's something for everybody, and which is the beauty of affiliate marketing. All you do is simply focus on promoting it, marketing it, and that's it. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about returns. You don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about inventory or creating a product of your own. The beauty of this is simple. You just focus on promoting it. Let me tell you, since 2015, affiliate marketing in general has grown 10% per year, regardless of the economy. And number 2, thing you need a sales funnel. A sales funnel promotes an offer and leads customers through the sales process. Here you not only capture the name and email address, but also send them on to an affiliate offer using your link. This is where so many people miss out. They just send people directly to the affiliate link. But in doing that, you lost the person. You just send them to the link, but you never connect with the person. You never provide any value. They click the link. Maybe they sign up. Maybe they don't. Probably most don't, but it's over for you. What if you could have something that could capture their email address and you can follow up with the offer or even other offers? That means you can now start emailing them offers over a period of time and create a relationship with these customers. The third thing you need, I'm talking about, which I just mentioned, is follow-up. Send them emails to our affiliate offer. So what do we do with the names and emails when we collect them? We send them offers. We provide value to them. We provide a relationship to them so they like to buy things from us, because it is all about relationship building. To do this, we need a good autoresponder sequence, and what this is basically software that sends people emails automatically, so we won't have to sit there and type out emails every day. We can just type out a whole big sequence, and then it's automatic past that. Once you write the emails, you can send them out automatically over a period of time, and you can email that person different offers and make a whole lot more money. The 4th thing you need is traffic. Traffic isn't cars, buses, and trucks, but it's a term for people who visit your site that are promoting the product. All traffic is basically the way we get people to come to our offer on our sales funnel. There are 100 ways on the internet to drive traffic to the funnel. For example, there's social media like Facebook and Instagram. There's YouTube, and the blogs, and those are just a few. There are ways to drive traffic for free. Another method is to pay for ads, like on Google, Bing, or Facebook ads, or anything like that. Recommended initially, you probably shouldn't pay for ads if you don't know what you're doing, because you can find yourself spending tons of money and have very little success. In fact, this is where most people fail. They sign up as an affiliate, spend a lot of money for ads, and spam their affiliate link all over the internet and get little to no result. They quit, and then they cry to beer others what a scam affiliate marketing is. So don't do that. But I do hope this answers your question if you were wondering what affiliate marketing is. If done correctly, it can easily be a very lucrative online business. So if you want to learn from experts who already made 7 figures already, I recommend the course that got me started on the path to success. You're going to be taught and held by hand by experts in the niche. So all you got to do to learn more is just click on the link below in the description. Because if you want to learn how you can take any business and scale it so your dreams and goals are fulfilled, we show you exactly how to business online, customize the plan just for you. We'll help you find your niche, help you set up your online business and find offers you can promote. And from there, the sky's the limit. Top of that, you get one-on-one mentoring to make sure you are doing things right. So that's it in a nutshell. I'd love to hear your comments, so comment below and like the video, share it with your friends, since sharing is caring. Subscribe, hit the notification bell for more updates. So if you want to see other videos on helpful topics like this, just click here. And until next time, to your success. I'll talk to you later. Bye.